Lamb. I absolutely love it. But for some reason, it's just not part of Singapore's cuisine. And I've always wondered why. Our taste buds have become fast friends with Asian and Western food alike. We eat our chicken, our beef, our pork, and all that seafood. But lamb just didn't quite make the cut. I want to change that. Lamb can be simple and delicious, trust me. And just in case you don't, at least trust my mom. Hey, I'm a good eater, but my mom is a fantastic cook. This is LMYR recipe. Rendang, a traditional Indonesian dish usually cooked with beef in big proportions for festivities such as weddings and Hari Raya. Today, we're going to change things just a little bit. We're going to use lamb, and we're just going to cook it with me and Mum, the one person who I really want to learn this recipe from. Rendang already takes a long time to cook because they want to get the meat nice and tender. So they're thinking with lamb, hey, maybe the cooking time will increase, but we're here to show you that's not the case. So let's get cooking. Hi, Mum.
Hi, son.
So, Mum, this is a beautiful outlay. Could you maybe just at least take us through what ingredients you have on the table?
First, we have blue ginger, that is lengkuas.
Yep.
Yellow ginger or turmeric, garlic, shallot, big onion, candle nut, chili padi, dry chili, and fresh chili.
You could smell that. It's powerful. This is powerful stuff.
Yeah. Son, also, Mom forgot, you got to add in coriander into the spice paste.
Coriander powder.
Powder.
Okay, coriander powder.
Cinnamon stick.
Yes.
Lime leaf. Lemongrass. Put when you are frying, after you stir fry.
Okay, so that doesn't
Before
go into
you pour the sauce in.
Right. And I'm assuming the brown sugar here is also optional depending on how sweet you want your rendang?
Rendang must have brown sugar, but I use raw sugar, not so sweet.
Okay.
But rendang must have some sweetness.
Okay.
And salt.
And salt. And of course, coconut milk, a standard in any curry. So 3 tablespoons for about 500 grams of lamb shoulder.
Correct.
And how long do we leave it to marinate for?
About 10 minutes.
So, Mum, the main thing here for marinating the lamb shoulder with green papaya juice is to cut down the cooking time.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
It's
because
not
if not, rendang usually is like 6-8 hours, cooking for a very long time.
Usually with beef, a longer time. This takes about 40-45 minutes.
Wow. So that's a huge time that you've shaven off just by simply
2 hours,
marinating with green papaya juice.
Rendang,
Oh, thanks, Mum.
yeah.
Okay. All right, Mum. So should I just pop that in the fridge for 10 minutes?
Yes.
And we'll get the spice paste going?
Yes.
Okay, great.
10 or 15 minutes.
All right. Done.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm actually quite excited that you're gonna try this with lamb instead of beef. I never had a lamb rendang before. So it's gonna be really interesting. We're cooking this now. You obviously let the lemongrass fragrance come out with the paste.
Yeah, until the oil appear.
Okay, yes.
From the rempah.
And I can see it's getting a little bit
appearing.
drier in terms of more of a paste-like.
Yeah, and sticky.
Yeah, sticky. So this was 500 grams of the lamb shoulder, marinated with the green papaya juice. Okay. Pop it in.
Pop it in.
Wow, hear that sizzle. So why do we have to put it bit by bit like this?
Well, then you stir, and then you see how much you need the water. Or if you overdo it,
there's no going back.
There's no going back. Always remember.
So I guess the portions you're putting in now work accordingly, and if obviously people want to scale it up, they just scale it up, right?
Yes. Coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get it. How much? So that was about 200 ml of coconut milk. Same thing as Mum's saying with the water. Put it in and see how it looks for the consistency. If you need to add a little bit more, go for it.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Sugar and salt.
Okay, so sugar.
Raw brown sugar.
Yeah, how much?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Oh, cukup.
Okay,
can cover.
so cover.
Yeah.
And how long do we keep this on for now?
15-20 minutes.
Okay, and then we'll come back and take a look?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a look.
Okay, let's go. We'll come back in a while.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let me try the gravy first.
Spicy.
No? Rendang.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But not sweet, right? Just nice.
No, not sweet, not overly sweet. A little bit of kick to it on the spice level, but nothing overpowering again. But I want to try the lamb.
Try the, yeah, see.
Okay.
Is it tender?
Yeah. Actually, it's very, very similar to a traditional beef rendang.
Yeah.
What I really like about this is there's no one flavor or taste that's taken over any of the others, so it's all very complementary. I can taste the coconut milk that's come through.
The lemongrass.
The lemongrass, yes, the lime leaves, it's all there. And again, a nice tingling from the spice and the chili. And the lamb's lovely.
Yeah.
So today we only took about an hour to cook this. I mean, sure, we could have put
Actually, yeah.
we could have put it on for another 1, maybe even 2 hours, but that's still half the cook time, you know, of a traditional beef rendang. And I think it's come out fantastic.
Good.
Yeah. So, come on, perfect as always. Thank you for cooking for me. Thank you for feeding me, and thank you for trusting me to try it with lamb today.
You're most welcome.
This is the...
No gas.
You know, usually Mum is not very measured. Usually Mum cooks totally by feel, but she thought for the benefit of everyone to give a few measurements so that you at home will have an easier time when you come to cooking this as well.
Fry the paste spice paste.
Try it again.